Quizizz is another great tool that you can use to create teacher-paced lessons. From Quizizz, simply click Sign Up or Log In if you already have an account, or if you're in Fort Mill School District, you can access Quizizz from your FMSD Launchpad as Quizizz is available in our app library. Once you've logged in, with your FMSD Google account, you will then see within Quizizz you have the ability to create a lesson. Click the purple Create button and then select Lesson. You'll notice it will ask you for a lesson title and your subject area. Within your lesson, you'll see that you have the ability to customize your lesson slides. You can do that by changing your fonts, your title, and your body text, and by using the customization window over here on the right-hand side, and also by selecting your theme if you so choose. My favorite part about the lessons feature in Quizizz is the ability to add slides or import slides. When you click the Import Slides option, you will notice that imported slides cannot be edited. However, you can import a PDF, a Google slide, but please note you must first save that file as a PDF and then import it. And the same is true with PowerPoint. You must first download that as a PDF and import it into Lessons. Let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to open up a Google slide and just choose a couple of the slides in here. Then I'll click File, Download, and then PDF. This will download those files here on my computer, and then within Quizizz, when I click Import Slides, I will be able to import them directly here. I can drag and drop them into this window. You'll see my slides are starting to import and connect, and that the thumbnails are loading. I can unselect each of these files if there's duplicates for whatever reason, and you can go through and customize which files you wish to import or not. Once you have your file selected, click Import, and it will save your imported slides directly into your lesson. When you're finished and have your lesson created, hit the Publish button. You can see that the language is already set for you, and you can select your grade level for which you're using your lesson, and if this is public, visible to everyone, or private, visible to you. Once your lesson is saved, you will see from your library, your lesson will now be here. Simply click on your lesson and it will bring you back to this menu. You can see you have the option to start this as a live lesson where the instructor leads the lesson, or you can use this as an asynchronous learning experience and assign it for homework. Let's start a live lesson so you can see what that looks like. Once I click Select a Live Lesson, you'll see I have some settings that I can go through and control, such as a timer and a leaderboard, if I had questions and polls embedded within my lesson. Then I can click Present, and you'll notice the first screen will give my students directions as to what to do. It will tell the students to join myquiz.com and enter the game code, or you can share this via a link and copy this link and post it in Google Classroom for your students. As you see your students join the class in your lesson, the number of students will appear here. Simply click Start once your students have joined, and then you will be able to lead a lesson for your students. Another great thing to think about when you're using Quizizz is to explore the lessons that are already created for you. When you go to the Explore tab, you will see that items within this library are either going to be set up as quiz or as lessons, and you can search the Quizizz library here as well. You might find a lesson that will already work with your content area, so that you can go ahead, find that lesson, and then you have the option here of adding it to your library or starting a live lesson. Quizizz is a wonderful tool to create an instructor-led or even a student-paced lesson for your class.